Okay, hello everyone. So we're here from Group 3. We want to present to you our work of process costing discussion. This Group 3 consists of Karin, Leroy, Malik, Manis, Mirzha, and Ardhfinsyah Putra. So without further ado, we can proceed to the work that we have done. So yeah, next slide, please.
Okay, I will read question number 1830. Next slide, please. Weighted average method spoilage. The Boston Company is a food processing company based in San Francisco. It operates under the weighted average method of process costing and has two departments, cleaning and packaging. For the cleaning department, conversion costs are added evenly during the process, and direct materials are added at the beginning of the process. Spoiled units are detected upon inspection at the end of process and are disposed of at zero net disposal value. All completed work is transferred to the packaging department. Summary for me follow. Next will be read by my partner.
Okay, the following is the Boston Company packaging department. Work in process begin inventory May 1st. Fiscal unit is $3,000. Direct material is for $500. Conversion cost is $700. Degree of completion of beginning work in process. Direct materials 100% and conversion cost is 80%. So that during May, fiscal unit is $25,000. Yeah, good unit completed and transferred out during May is $2,500. Work in process ending inventory May 1st, fiscal unit is for $200. Degree of completion of ending work in process. Direct material is 100% and conversion cost is 30%. Total cost added during May is direct material is for 46 $250 and conversion cost is 37,216. Degree of completion of normal spoilage. Direct material is 100% and conversion cost is 100%. Degree of completion of abnormal spoilage, same with normal spoilage. For the cleaning department, summarize total cost to account for and assign total cost to units completed and transfer out, including normal spoilage to abnormal spoilage and to units in ending work in process. Carry unit cost calculation to 4 decimal places when necessary. Calculate final totals to the nearest dollar. Problem 1832. Explore additional phases of this problem. Next. The answer is weight average method spoilage. The Boston Company cleaning department. Flow of production. VIP beginning. Fiscal unit is $3,000 and direct material is for $500. Conversion cost is $700. Total cost is $200. Start during current period. Fiscal unit is 25,000. That to account for is the VIP beginning plus started during current period is 28,000. Good units completed and transferred out during May 2,500,000. Normal spoilage is $250,000 to $2,050, and the and calculated is the diagram material 2050 and conversion cost is 2052. Abnormal spoilage, total spoilage physical unit is 1250. Direct material is 1250 and conversion cost is 1250. VIP ending physical unit is 4,200. Direct material same and conversion cost is same. Accounted for physical unit is $28,000. Equivalent unit of work done to date. Direct material is $28,000 and conversion cost is $25,060. Next will be explained by my partner.
Okay, so for this slide, we get total production cost, direct material, and conversion cost. So in this, in order for us to know the cost to account for, we need to add WIP beginning with cost add in current period. So in the total cost, in total production cost, we got $7,200, and then we add it with 83,466, and we got $90,666. And for the direct materials, we have $4,500 added with 46,250, and then therefore we get $50,750. And all about that, the conversion cost is that $2,700 added with 37,216, and we got 39,916. And therefore we got the cost incurred to date in indirect materials and in conversion cost, and will be divided by the equivalence unit of work done in the amount of, for direct material, in the amount of 28,000, and in conversion cost in the amount of 25,060 units. And then in direct materials, the result would be 1.8125, and in conversion cost 1.59. And therefore, we go to the calculation of cost. Good unit completed and transfer out in the amount of 20,500. And cost before adding normal spoilage is 96,809 is the result from that. And then the normal spoilage is 6,981, and we add that in, then we got 76,790. Loss of abnormal spoiled goods is 2,257, and therefore we got the ending 9,619. So the total cost to accounted for is that 90,666. Next slide. Yeah, this is the second question, 1831. So the question is that Viva method spoilage revert to information problem 8030. Do problems using the Viva method of pricing costing? Yeah, the problem in the next slide.
As you can see from the presentation, there's a FIFO method spoilage cleaning department of the Boston company for May. The first one is flow of production, physical units, and the last one is equivalent unit, direct materials, and conversion costs. And VIP beginning is 3,000 on physical units. Started during current period is 25,000, and accounted for 28,000 on physical units. Goods good units completed and transferred or out during current period is 3,000 in the FR beginning WIP is 3,000 on physical unit, and 1,200 on conversion cost. Second one is started and completed on the physical unit is 17,500,000, and the and on the equivalent unit, dedicated material and conversion cost are the same. It's 17,500. And then there's normal spoilage. Physical unit is 2,050, and in direct material and conversion cost is the same. And there's normal spoilage. The physical unit is 1,250. On the direct material and conversion cost is the same as the physical unit. And then there's WIP ending is 4,200 on physical unit, and in the direct materials and conversion cost is no, in the direct material is 4,200, and the conversion cost is 1,260. And on the total is accounted for on the physical unit is 28,000, and the equivalent unit of work were done in current period. The direct material is 25,000, and and in the conversion cost is 23,260. And then the second one is WIP beginning. The total production is 7,200, and the direct material is 4,500. In the conversion cost is 2,700. And then there's cost added in current period is 83,466 on total production cost. And in the direct materials is 46,250, and in the conversion cost is 37,216. And the total cost for accounted for total production cost is 90,666, and the total of direct material is 50,750, and the total for conversion cost is 39,916. Cost added in current period on the direct material is 46,250, and in direct and conversion cost is 37,216, divided by equivalent unit of work done in current period is by 25,000, and in direct material, and in conversion cost is divided by 23,260. And the total of cost per equivalent unit is $1, $1.85, and and on conversion cost is $1.60. Assignment of cost. Goods units complete and transfer out. WIP beginning. Total production is 72,000, 7,200, and direct material is 4,500. Plus the conversion cost is 2,700. On the cost added to beginning WIP in current period is 1,920. Direct material is 0, and the conversion cost is 1,200 times 1.6. And the total from beginning inventory before normal spoilage is 9,120. Started and completed before normal spoilage. The total production is 60,375. The direct material is 17,500 times 1.85, and plus the conversion cost is 17,500 times 1.6. The normal spoilage is normal spoilage on total production is 7,073, and direct material is 2050 times 1.85 plus on conversion cost is 2050 times 1.6. The total cost of good unit complete on transfer out. The total production is 76,568. Abnormal spoilage. Total production is 4,312. Direct material is 1,250 times 1.85 on direct materials, and plus the conversion cost is 1,250 times 1.6. A WIP ending. The total production cost is 9,786. Direct material is 4,200 times 1.85 plus 1 on conversion cost is 1,260 times 1.6. The total cost accounted for total production cost is 666, and on direct material the total cost is 50,750, and plus the conversion cost the total is 39,916. That's all from our group. Thanks for listening.